This is Tanvir Kazmi from my news channel, See the World Through Tanvir Kazmi. Today I chose the topic from news, celebrating special days. As you know, every child when you're born, you have many special days. Celebration is a tradition. Every country, every city, every religion, every part of the world, they have a very special days to celebrate. It's a huge tradition, entire world, every country. There are dozens of special days. For example, celebrating Independence Day, celebrating Labor Day, Defense Day, and many other special days. Keep in your mind again, we all are, entire world, children of one parent, father is Adam, spread everywhere in the world. One family under one God. Celebration will be more useful when we all family in entire world can celebrate together. For example, Mother's Day, that's great. Father's Day, we entire world, any human being know how much their parents sacrifice for their life, how much they play a role for their success. So they all will shake hands to celebrate together. Earth Day, to improve the quality of earth or improve it to live more peacefully and more, enjoy clean earth. Labor Day, that is also great. Thanksgiving Day, that's the best day we can enjoy together because we all know that we have one creator of all of us, giver of water from sky, and that water generates food for us, the vegetable and fruits. Children, the giver of God is who is giving us children, and we should be thankful that He give us sunlight, moonlight, and many other guidance through His holy books. There will be no conflict to celebrate those days. We all in world will be happy to celebrate those days together. Thanksgiving Day is at world level, as one family is okay. But if we celebrate days based on past conflicts, based on past wars or fighting, celebration based on religious differences or sectarian differences, those celebrations divide us big time. About conflicting events, we all will never ever agree and will never agree again to celebrate those. It has caused major division in entire world. Those celebration, conflicting celebration, demonstration on the streets, blocking roads, stopping businesses, create unrest. It will do nothing except spread more hate. Waste of time talking about previous generations or their conflicts. Previous peoples who has died, their issues. Celebrating this day and that day and those days. Spending millions of dollars, spending millions of hours, giving hateful speech against each other, talks everywhere. This way we are sharing past hateful stories to newborn generations, making their brain poisonous. They learn more hate than love. Forget past. People want peace. People want food. They want fresh and clean water. They want clothes. They want housing they can live comfortably. They want their health to be taken care of. They want marriages. They want more love. Let us give our children a better today and a better tomorrow. We will then be rewarded as peace and love in here and also forever life in the paradise. Let us change. Let us change. Thanks for your time. God bless you all. Wassalam. Take care and bye.